All right, today we're going to do 2-4, partial products multiplication. Okay, so you're going to get a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number or a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number, and you have to solve it using the partial products way. Okay, so if we look at here, we have 56 times 7. All right, then they give you an area model. All right, so the first thing they did here is they split 56 up. All right, so we have 6 in the ones digit, so we wrote 6, and then they draw a line separating this. All right, and then they looked at the 5. The 5 is in the tens digit, so you take your 5 and you put it in the tens digit, and it is 50. All right, so now they split up 50 and 6, and then down the side they have 7 because they're taking it times 7. Okay, so what you do here is in the squares is you take 7 times 50, write it in the square here, and then take 7 times 6, write it in the square here. Okay, so let's do that. Let's take 7 times 50. So we know 7 times 5 is 35, so let's write our 35. And we have 1 0, so let's add our 0. So 7 times 50 is 350. Next step, you have to take your 7 times 6. 7 times 6 is 42. So we write our 42. Okay? Now what we need to do is we need to add those two up. Okay, so first we multiply, and then we add. So we take 350 plus 42. 0 plus 2 is 2. 5 plus 4 is 9. Drop down our 3. So 56 times 7 is 392. That is how we solve a multiplication problem using partial products. Okay, that is what you'll learn today, along with the U.S. traditional way. Okay, on your seesaw, I took a picture of a U.S. traditional problem. All right, it's 56 times 7, the same problem that we're doing here, but I solved it, or it's solved the U.S. traditional way, and it goes step by step. Okay, so you'll look at that, read through the steps to figure out how to do that. Okay, in my next video, I will do another example of partial products, and I will do an example of U.S. traditional. Okay, so this is the partial products, because we're splitting the products up. We're taking 56, we're splitting it up between its digits. So we have the 6 in the ones digit, the 5 in the tens digit, which is 50, and then we take our 7 times 50, our 7 times 6, and then add those two answers up. All right. Your assignment today, you are going to be working on page 48. All right? You're going to be working on page 48. All right? In my next video, I'm going to show one example of U.S. traditional, and then I'm going to show you a problem on page 48. We're going to do number 1 together.